a highlight of my character is how important love is and how important family is at the same time. Yun po. Hindi ko po alam if following months, pero I'm currently working on a teleserye together with Papa P, Khaled Shari, Gray Fernandez as well, which is Pamilya Sagrado, which is, hindi pa po sinasabi sa amin kung kailan yung date, pero we're currently, tinatape na po namin siya sa teleserye, so sana po abangan niyo po yun. And of course, together with my bandmates, the Guitarra Boys, ayan po, andyan po sila. Some of us are here, so abangan niyo po yun. Hopefully, malapit na po kami to performing publicly. Thank you po, maraming salamat po, thank you. Dito po, after watching the movie, makikita niyo po talaga na dito sa story, magic is really highlighted. Apart from magic po ng magicians and stuff like that, parang love po, love is a way to describe magic. Parang it's undescribable. It's an indescribable feeling that you can't explain, pero it's there. You feel it, but you can't see it. Yun po, it's related to magic in a way. So, after watching the film, marirealize yun po bakit when magic hurts. So, I can't deny po, yes. I've experienced love, of course. Pero again po, it's not something na I try to rush. If love comes to me po, if I do eventually fall in love with someone, nangyari po. Pero I'm not like rushing towards falling in love. I'm not rushing into a relationship. I'm really enjoying po spending time with everyone here. Opo, yes po. I've fallen in love na, well, I think dun sa nangyari po kayo sa amin dalawa, to that person I fell in love with, is we really had other priorities. And it was pure po eh. The love was pure and we never got to the point po na siguro dapat manligaw na ako. Hindi po kami umabot to that point. We were just really enjoying the time we spent together. And parang we were each other's support po in a way. Parang sinuportahan po namin isa't isa sa ginagawa po ng isa't isa. So, I'm really thankful for that person. Isa po siya talaga sa tumulong sa akin.
So, kamusta ka po sa person mo ba?
Po,
Person mo ba siya?
yes po, first time ko po silang mga trabaho and they're both very professional and very easy to work with. Kasi talagang, well, sa amin pong tatlo, nag-a-adjust po kami sa isa't isa and we're very comfortable with each other. So, pagka po may problem sa isang scene, nahihirapan pong pumanek si ganito, kaya po namin ayusin because we're all friends.
So, kamusta ka sa Direk Gabi?
Nakita ko po, sige ba, sorry po. Thank you po, thank you. Si Direk Gabi po talagang, dito ko po na-witness how passionate Direk Gabi is sa work niya, sa craft niya po. Kasi dito, nakilala ko po din po si Direk dito eh. How great of a director and how passionate he is at directing. Talagang, ako po, I'm new to this industry. I'm pretty new to acting. Pero si Direk po talagang, tinulungan niya po talaga ako. Hinanap niya po yung something na makukuha niya sa puso ko para matulungan po ako dito sa project namin na to. And for that, kay Direk Gabi po, maraming salamat. I'm very thankful for Direk Gabi.
So, paano ka napasok sa work?
Nag-work po kami ni Direk dati sa roommate, FB series po ni Direk together with Jassy Bosran and Hendrik. So, ako po yung ka-love triangle naman that time. Ngayon po ako naman so, after that, Direk was talking about a certain project na he wanted to do with me. Pero hindi pa po namin nagawa yan and napunta po muna kami dito. And I'm really thankful po for Direk Gabi for trusting me dito sa project na to. Kaya maraming salamat po talaga Direk Gabi. Thank you very much po.
River, wala pa bang magic sa inyong dalawa ni Mucha?
Magic of friendship. The magic of friendship po, I would say, sa aming tatlo, honestly.
Okay,
Magic
Maxine
of
din.
friendship. Opo, kasi talagang yung friendship po namin is something in a way magical. Kung gaano po kami ka-close to each other.
May pag-ganon ng magic.
Yung bond po kasi namin na nagawa dito sa while doing When Magic Hurts. And apart from that, even after that, yung bond po namin is something I treasure is something very magical for me.
Okay. Kailan showing nito?
May po. This isn't exactly a date po talaga, pero ang sabi po is May, so stay tuned po. Abangan niyo po yun. Sana po
Napanood mo
abangan.
na ba itong movie na to? O ngayon
First
pa lang?
time po ngayon. First time po ngayon, yes.
Kahit ikaw rin. Oo.
Ngayon pa lang, mapapanood ka sa Rio. For the first time ever sa big screen po. So, ngayon pa lang po.
Ito ba yung pare-pareho kayong dalawa na first big movie na ginawa niyo?
Ako po, yes.
Or it is your first time? For the big screen?
First big movie, you know. Parang, first lead.
Okay, for the big screen.
Meron na po akong first and second.
May president.
Yun. Yun. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much po.